No judgment if you have been delaying your dreams of learning and mastering an expertise like hand lettering and building a career doing something you really love. Because in the early days, I did too. And let me tell you, I missed out on the journey of a lifetime. But when I finally committed to go for it, everything changed. I tapped into the potential of having more autonomy and freedom in my life, all while doing the work I really love. Now I want to accelerate your journey and share only actionable strategies that will help you learn and master the art of hand lettering, unlock your income potential, and build a career or side hustle doing what you love. Join me in my once-a-year workshop called Secrets to Success in Lettering Design, where you will learn what's the lettering revolution and how to be a part of it. You will also learn how to create a career you love and achieve 3 major goals. I will show you how to identify opportunities and find clients. You will learn about the main mistakes that aspiring artists make and how to avoid them. And I will show you how to map out your next 6 months of progress. Lastly, I will share the blueprint to start a side gig or create a career in lettering design. In case we haven't met yet, my name is Martina Flor. I'm an award-winning lettering artist and author, and since 2010, I've been working closely with tens of thousands of graphic designers, illustrators, aspiring artists, and creatives to help them master the art of hand lettering and build a career doing what they really love. It took me 13 years to learn everything I know about being a successful professional lettering artist. And it will only take you 5 days to gather the same information if you join this workshop. During the workshop, I'm handing over my lettering roadmap that outlines everything you need to master hand lettering, learn an expertise, and infuse purpose and excitement into your daily work and life. It's about doing work that lights you up and mastering an expertise that very few people have. The workshop is completely for free and it only happens once a year. Sign up below and I will see you there.